Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community is now at 3,645 members. It's the ideal time to jump in and connect with fellow tech enthusiasts if you haven't already. In social media news, our latest meme had everyone chuckling. If you haven't followed us yet, you're missing out on some great laughs and engaging discussions. Go check it out! This week, we're spotlighting an intriguing platform within the Solana ecosystem, Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun makes it incredibly easy for anyone to create and launch their own meme coin by simply connecting a wallet. This platform is revolutionizing the meme coin space by removing the need for initial liquidity, enabling users to launch a coin with just a name, ticker, and image. The process is streamlined and straightforward, attracting a surge of users eager to dive into the meme coin craze without the usual technical barriers. In Web3 news, GameStop meme coins are creating a lot of buzz over on Solana. The resurgence of Keith Gill, known for sparking the 2021 GameStop stock frenzy, has led to an unprecedented spike in meme coin creations. Just this past Sunday, Pump.Fun saw a record-setting day with 14,500 new meme coins launched. This surge in activity underscores the platform's growing influence and the vibrant, ever-evolving landscape of meme-fueled cryptocurrency. Now let's explore how to launch a meme coin on Farcaster. Meme coins, like the iconic Dogecoin, are cryptocurrencies that thrive on cultural trends rather than promising utility. Farcaster has recently become a hotspot for such initiatives, with coins like Degen leading the charge. If you're curious about how to craft your own meme coin within this decentralized social protocol, we're here to guide you. From concept to launch, we'll break down the essential steps in our latest blog post, helping you navigate this playful yet complex world. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more insights into the Web3 universe. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all!